Quality, efficiency, productivity and accuracy are key attributes to this machine. Being able to process multiple shapes, processing and glass types all on the one machine enables us to greatly increase our throughput.
Forvet's high-performance machines are designed to solve some of the unique problems you face as a glass processor. The extreme flexibility engineered into each machine means you can now produce a variety of mixed straight-line shapes at very high speeds, with higher outputs and lower operational and energy costs. You'll save on manpower and manual handling while increasing productivity, safety and quality. Add Forvet's strength in its internal programming with factory support for remote servicing, diagnostics and software updates, and you have solutions that solve the challenges you face every day. Better productivity begins with the key, a unique fully automated system that selects and loads stock glass sheets for automatic scoring and breaking out at the speeds required to match the rest of the processing line, even when cutting different thicknesses and unusual shapes. It was designed to solve the problem of production slowing or stopping when the required random glass shapes and thicknesses could not be supplied quickly enough from traditional cutting systems. The key's ability to select, load, score and break out, and then return residual stock plates back to the racks while delivering the random size cut piece for edge processing, makes sure that the rest of the line is always supplied with the correct size glass on a just-in-time basis without delays.
With the key, it basically becomes a full standalone processing line. It takes capacity and adds it back onto our other cutting lines that would otherwise feed it. By doing that, gives us greater throughput through the whole plant. It also takes out the manual handling issues associated with loading the machine manually.
The Kiara is a high-speed 4-edge processor using 4 individual grinding heads, each fitted with 8 wheels to grind, arras and polish all 4 sides of the glass at the same time, even if the glass is a straight line shape or out of square. It can also be programmed to provide a different finish to each edge as well as tipping the corners. The glass is automatically loaded by the key into the Kiara. The glass can be manually loaded directly onto the Kiara's inlet conveyor. The required processing details are loaded into the numerical control by data transfer or barcode reader and are managed by just one operator. The glass transport is completely independent of each section, allowing for a continuous feed of different glass thicknesses, sizes and shapes without any processing delays or manual adjustments. The patented suction cups beneath the glass are automatically repositioned for each glass size or shape, optimizing glass support and stability when processing. This also means there's no contact with the top surface of the glass, so you can process any high-performance, soft-coated glasses without concern.
With the shape polishing functionality, it takes away a lot of the shape polishing out of our plant from the traditional slow manual way, which was the single edge polisher. By using multiple heads at the one time to do the same piece of glass instead of one edge at a time leads to greater outputs from the machine compared to the traditional method.
The Francesca is an innovative solution for rapid and precise drilling, countersinking and milling on either large glass sheets or for twin streaming 2 glass panels at the same time. These twin streaming panels can be of different size, shape and thickness, a first in the industry. The glass panels of any thickness between 3 and 19 millimeters are held securely in place with a patented transport system featuring dynamic vacuum belts. And for an even more efficient workflow, the Francesca can process the glass simultaneously using 4 heads. The drilling operation is capable of drilling a maximum diameter of 70 millimeters, with larger diameters achieved by the milling feature. An operator is only required to provide the whole diameter and coordinates. Once this data is entered, the working cycle is completely automatic with no manual intervention needed, regardless of glass shape or thickness. Another first is Forvet's introduction of a fully integrated water jet cutting system to process hinges and cutouts. The unique water jet system delivers an increase of 15 to 20% in speed, whilst dramatically reducing the consumption of milling tools.
The water jet automatically defaults to water jet cutting for processing when the tools required for the job aren't available. What this means is that in production planning we don't have to separate all our production into the tooling we need. So we can batch everything together and run consistent all day without the need to stop and change tooling based on processing types.
Forvet's proven glass processing machines lead the industry with reliable, high-performance systems that optimise production processes, reduce labour costs and manual handling, improve quality, guarantee size tolerances and repeatability, and reduce delivery times of finished products. Clever design and extensive manufacturing experience guarantees reliability whilst reducing floor space, and their modular range integrates with all other suppliers. A complete Siemens system of user interfaces, control components and wiring guarantees superior automation and single-source servicing, a perfect match for Forvet's world-leading quality.
Whether it's dealing with ordering spare parts, liaising with their technicians, or even software support, dealing with Forvet is second to none. They're an extremely customer-focused company, and that shows through in the service that you get from them. If you're serious about productivity, efficiency and quality with after-sales service backup support to match, then Forvet's your machine.